Charlie celebrating up in Lawrence. Old Uma and Papa Hayward, they just happen to live in Altamont. And Charlie, when you watch this on KOAMNewsNow.com, I want you to know that that's who those birthday wishes are coming from.
Well, Brady Lansdowne sure is here in the four
cool.
states in Carthage, Missouri. But I don't think that picture was taken in Carthage.
That's cool.
If it is, I want to know where we're at.
Yeah.
Brady is 8 years old this year. Hope it's a great year for you.
This is a cool one. This is Sydney Cooper. And if I told you that Sydney was celebrating her 8th birthday and that she's from Georgia, you may think she moved to the four states, down from the southeastern portion of the United States, but she's from Tbilisi, as in the capital of the country of Georgia. Yeah, a little Eastern European flavor here up on the KOM birthday list. Love that. So Sydney, this is happy birthday from Grandpa Bud in Joplin and all of your other relatives in the United States. Tanya, we've officially made it big in Eastern Europe. Thank you, Miss Sydney Cooper, and happy birthday.
All right, I love it.
Hey, Mr. Worldwide. That's right. Not Pitbull. KOM Morning News. Believe that.
All right, happy birthday from Mom and Dad going out to Lila Jenkins. Lila, as you can see there in Grove, is celebrating birthday number 12 this year.
Little Ridge Runner pride right there.
A great picture there.
We always love celebrating the Sweet 16s, and we have one right there with Elena Lanier. What a marvelous picture, Miss Elena. I want you to have a great 16th birthday.
All right. And Robert Boulay.
Say it again.
Robert Boulay.
Boulay.
Oh my goodness, Michael. He is down in Miami, turning 46 years old. And yes, he works at T-Mobile. That's why he's wearing that shirt.
Yeah, everybody stop into T-Mobile, social distance, and tell Robert a very
That's
happy
a
birthday
really good
from us.
picture of him, too.
Lonnie Ridenour with a 51st birthday. Nice catch right there. Lonnie celebrating in Leberg.
All right. And Lori Bauer turning 54 years old this year. Happy birthday to Lori in Fort Scott.
Edith Ticknell celebrating her 66th birthday. We've always loved seeing Miss Edith, even though it's been a long time. Love to see your picture. Wonderful lady right there. She celebrates in Columbus.
All right, Hunter and Brittany Robinson are celebrating their 4th anniversary this year. The Robinsons are in Thayer, Kansas. Congratulations, and here's to many more.
Got Jim and Tammy Jarvis as they celebrate their 11th anniversary. The Jarvises, they are in Girard.
Nice picture there.
Got to find out why we don't have a picture of this next woman, Bobby Westervelt. Miss Bobby, absolutely love you, and a happy 74th birthday. She celebrates in Cherokee. Sarah Dreisbach, a happy 52nd. Sarah is in Cherryvale. And Jalen Reno has a 17th birthday. Jalen, I want you to have a great day at school and a marvelous birthday as well, as she is on her way out the door in Humboldt.
We've got Dale and Nancy Roughton celebrating an anniversary. They're in Columbus. And the Susies in Columbus as well. We love celebrating their anniversary every year. But we don't have a picture this year.
I know. I was waiting for you to finish up, and then I was going to get on Kent.
And Glinda.
Kent, we do hold you solely responsible for that. It is never Glenda's fault, and I want you to know that. A happy 33rd anniversary to Kent and Glenda. Marvelous people right there. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.